Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Kajingya lang Menteri Sorkar belayalam do Menteri Rangba ka Jylla o konrat ke sangma menta kasing ka arpau teri uno pra hajar arpu lawan ra e Pynkylla ka bayade ka Meghalaya Building Amendment Bylaws hajar arpu ha kajingya lang la rai ru Pynkylla ru ki kendon kum ka Meghalaya Minor Mineral Reclamation Fund Management Guidelines hajar arpu nalor kata ka Sorkar ka la rai ru penmi ka notification ha ka bayade ka Meghalaya Professions Traders Callings and Employment Taxation Rules.
Very quick agendas were taken up. The first was the amendment to the Meghalaya Minor Minerals Reclamation Fund Management Guidelines 2022. The second was the amendment to the Meghalaya Building Amendment Bylaws 2022. And third was the notification for the Meghalaya Professions, Trades, Callings and Employment Taxation Rules 2022. So these were the three agendas that were put up. Regarding the Meghalaya Minor Minerals Reclamation Fund Management Guidelines 2022, it was a very simple amendment where the agencies which are eligible to implement the funds was only enhanced in the sense that earlier there were 9 agencies which can implement the funds. We have added the Biodiversity Board. So that was the only amendment that was made. The second, which was regarding the rules for the Meghalaya Professions, Trades, Callings and Employment Taxation rules. These are normal procedures. Once the act is come in, then obviously the rules have to follow. So we have notified the rules today. Regarding the Meghalaya Buildings Amendment Bylaws 2022, certain amendments have been made. There are a long list of details. It will not be possible for me to go through all of them. They are highly technical also in nature. So we'll prepare a small note on that and we'll send it to the press.